Hello everyone, thanks for joining. Today I will cover the agent types in Google ADK, LLM, workflow and custom agents. We'll clarify what each does, how they differ and when to use them. The goal is to provide a clear conceptual understanding and get into the code and demos in the upcoming sessions. Here is the taxonomy of agent types in ADK. LLM agents are large language models as their core engine for reasoning, understanding natural language, and making intelligent decisions depends on the multimodal AI models are powerful LLMs. Workflow agents operate on predefined logic to control how other agents execute. They are essentially the managers of your multi-agent system. Custom agents give you complete control to implement any logic you need that doesn't fit the standard patterns. The key distinction is what drives their behavior. LLM agents are driven by model intelligence, workflow agents by deterministic logic, and custom agents by your custom implementation. Each has distinct strengths and trade-offs, which we'll explore in detail. Let's start with LLM agents. Now, they are the intelligent workers in your multi-agent system. They are the brains that actually think and reason. These agents leverage large language models to understand natural language, reason through problems, and decide what actions to take next. They can dynamically select from available tools, execute code, and even plan multi-step solutions. The LLM acts as the decision-making engine, working behind the scenes, which will interpret user intent, reasoning about the best approach, and generating appropriate responses. This intelligence comes at a cost. LLM calls add latency and consume tokens. But the flexibility and adaptability they provide is invaluable for tasks that require understanding the context, nuance, and complex reasoning. LLM agents are ideal when the next step isn't always predictable or deterministic and depends on understanding the specific situation. Workflow agents manage structured flows. Sequential agents run tasks in order. Parallel agent run tasks concurrently, and loop agent repeats tasks until a condition is met. They do not rely on LLMs and are deterministic, making them ideal for pipelines and highly predictable processes. Custom agents allow tailored behavior by writing your own logic. They are useful when neither LLM nor workflow agents fit your requirements. You can add branching, complex integrations, or sequential workflows, which are great for domain-specific needs. Let's take a closer look at the agent types. So we have discussed three agent types. The first one is the LLM agent, second is workflow agent, and third is custom agent. The core engine behind an LLM agent is the LLM, obviously. Now that is going to provide the primary function of reasoning and acting. One of the top use cases of LLM agents is chatbots and routers. The next type is workflow agent, which we briefly discussed, and it is meant for creating predefined logic. It's also the orchestration engine because the outcome is highly deterministic. The use case of workflow agents is executing them in a sequence or in a loop. And finally, custom agent is very powerful, but you have to do the heavy lifting by writing custom Python code. And the primary function of this agent type is implementing custom logic. One of the use cases for custom agent is implementing complex branching that is not available in LLM agents or workflow agents. Why do we need different types of agents? Well, ADK enables multi-agent systems where agents of different types can collaborate. For example, an LLM agent might act as a planner, delegating steps to workflow or custom agents. Now, this lets you mix reasoning, structure, and highly customized logic, creating robust, scalable solution. How do you choose an LLM agent, or how do you choose the right agent type? Well, LLM agents are needed when you expect flexibility and reasoning. Workflow agents for predictable multi-step processes, and custom agents for bespoke logic. Often, the best solutions combine all three, each playing a specialized role. Now, we will explore these in the upcoming sessions where I'll walk you through a workflow agent that combines the power of an LLM agent. So, to bring this to conclusion, LLM, workflow, and custom agents address different needs. Use LLMs for intelligence, workflow agents for structure, and custom agents for highly specialized tasks and workflows. Combining them gives you powerful multi-agent systems. So this is a brief introduction of agent types in Google Agent Development Kit. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next session where I will walk you through creating a multi-agent system by combining multiple types of agents offered by ADK. Thank you.